If you want to install an iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy S26, we need to go to the Play Store. Then over here we're gonna use the search button, and we can simply search for iOS launcher or iPhone theme or something similar to that. You should be able to find many different example apps that of course you can use on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here and I'm gonna install this specific launcher. Of course, I recommend you trying out other launchers as well in order to find out which one you like the most. After we install the launcher, we have to set it up, which usually is pretty straightforward. We don't have to agree to access the location. We can allow to use contacts and some other stuff. And then in here, usually you want to make the launcher the default one. So we're gonna tap on OK. In here, we will open the default home app setting. So you want to switch from the standard launcher to the iOS launcher. And there we go. Now in here, if you go back to the settings, you might want to go to the app library in order to be able to access it afterwards. And now if we go to the home screen, we should be able to see the iOS launcher. There we go. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.